So next question, is chiropractic worth it?
Definitely, chiropractic is worth it. It may look like it is very costly compared to physiotherapy. See, in physiotherapy, what happens? They just treat muscles. Nowadays, most of physiotherapists they apply just ultrasound pads or tense pads just for pain relief. The same relief you can get with 2 rupees, 3 rupees painkiller. But we don't treat only pain. We treat everything. The whole alignment of your bones, your joints, vertebrae, lot of things we do. So definitely it is worth, even though cost is more, we can treat lot of disease in just one treatment, equivalent to 20 doctors treatment, 20 medicines. Without ordering MRI, CT scans, we save a lot of money. So we spend a lot of time with you by doing osteopathic correction, chiropractic correction, then myofascial release. So definitely it is worth. For example, if you have disc bulge, okay, in the neck, so if you go for surgery, they do microdiscectomy. It will cost you minimum 2.5 lakh up to 8 lakhs. But same thing we can treat in less than 10% of the actual cost. And every next surgery comes with huge risk of failure and complications. But here, zero complications, zero side effects. If you take treatment only from certified licensed chiropractors from abroad, and you can see instant relief. So definitely it is worth. Okay, because if you go to doctors, you have to spend money separately for medicines, scans, lab tests, and doctor fees. Then again, they refer you to physiotherapy for 10, 12 sittings. Again, you have to spend money. Okay, if you don't get relief, again, you have to go to Ayurveda, massage therapy. So, you have to spend a lot of money to get one result. But here, you have to pay one fees. Okay, and it is very, very cheap compared to surgery and other treatments. So, definitely it is worth.
So fourth question is, who should not see a chiropractor?
Okay, your question is who should not see a chiropractor? So, very good question. See, almost anybody can see chiropractor. However, newborn babies, very small kids, or elderly people who have taken a lot of steroids and who have a lot of bone problems like uh, osteoporosis, osteomalacia, are very tender to touch, severe spine degeneration. They can't even move 1 inch. So, those people should not see chiropractors.
Why do people criticize chiropractors?
Yeah, this is a very important question. Why do people criticize chiropractors? Why people don't like chiropractors? So obviously, people definitely like chiropractors. People who have taken treatment, they really appreciate chiropractors. But definitely in medical field, there is a lot of competition. Like BJP, Congress, JDS, JDU. So usually, people who don't like chiropractors, of course, allopathy doctors, because we are taking their business away. Physiotherapists don't like us, and orthopedic doctors don't like us. Massage therapists don't like us. Of course, these people don't like us. In some cases, if a fake chiropractor has done some damage to patients, so definitely they also don't like chiropractors. But majority people will benefit from chiropractic. They like us. Our competitor, of course, we are taking their business away, and they don't like us.
So sixth question, what happens when a chiropractor cracks your neck?
See, what is cracking? I'll give an example. This is, but here I don't get crack. Here there is gas buildup, nitrous oxide. Here there is no gas. Here I don't get crack, but here I could get crack. You could hear that sound. See, crack is nothing but in the facet joints. Okay, here in the facet joints, there is buildup of gas, nitrous oxide. So every time I apply thrust, HVL thrust, suddenly gas escapes. Like when you prick balloon, air-filled balloon, suddenly it makes sound. The same thing happens here. So you'll get instant relief. It is psychological, but crack itself is not chiropractic. So a lot of people think, okay, if I crack my back, my neck, my back pain, neck pain goes away. It is really far from the truth. It is not possible. Cracking might give temporary relief, but that is not actual chiropractic. So here we do structural osteopathy and soft chiropractic, which means more than cracks, we treat the actual root causes of your problems like neck pain, back pain, spondylitis, arthritis. Okay, so if you don't treat that, just follow the cracks, it is not going to help you. So don't depend upon cracks, get the actual results by treating the root cause like leg length difference, pelvic tilt, translation rotation of the vertebrae, okay, and thinned out disc, uh, neutralize, nutated sacrum or the tailbone, that is what you should treat. So don't always go for cracks. So